Want to lose 5 pounds fast without starving yourself or spending hours in the kitchen? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I eat in a single day to drop weight quickly with simple, delicious recipes anyone can make at home. No complicated meal prep, no boring diet food, just real meals that keep you full, burn fat, and help you see results in days. So, if you've been struggling to slim down and want an easy plan that actually works, stay tuned. You're about to discover how one day of eating can change the way you feel about weight loss forever. Section 1. Why this works. Before we dive into the meals, let me explain why this system works. Most people trying to lose weight cut calories too drastically or eat bland food that leaves them craving more. That's why they give up. But the secret is not just eating less, it's eating smarter. The meals I'm about to share are high in protein to keep you full and protect muscle, rich in fiber to control cravings, balanced with healthy fats to keep your metabolism active, and made with ingredients you can buy anywhere, nothing fancy. If you follow this exact day of eating, you can easily create a calorie deficit without feeling deprived, which means your body will naturally start burning fat. And yes, losing around 5 pounds quickly becomes realistic when combined with water loss and reduced bloating. Section 2. Your results don't just depend on food, they depend on how you start your day. Here's how I begin. Step 1. A tall glass of warm water with lemon. This hydrates your body after sleep and kickstarts digestion. Step 2. A quick 5-minute movement. It can be stretching, walking, or a few squats to get blood flowing. Why? Because your metabolism wakes up faster when you move right after waking. Now, let's talk about the first meal. Section 3. Breakfast recipe. High protein fat burning omelette. 2 whole eggs plus 2 egg whites. 1 cup spinach or kale. Half cup chopped tomatoes and onions. 1 teaspoon olive oil. A pinch of chili flakes and black pepper. Cook the veggies in olive oil, add eggs, and fold into a fluffy omelette. Why this works? Eggs, protein plus nutrients, veggies, fiber plus volume without extra calories, olive oil, healthy fat to keep you satisfied. This meal is under 300 calories, but it keeps you full for hours and sets the fat-burning tone for the day. Section 4. Mid-morning snack. Greek yogurt and berry bowl. 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, unsweetened, a handful of fresh berries, blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, 1 tablespoon chia, seeds or flax seeds mixed together, and you've got a creamy, sweet, filling snack loaded with protein, fiber, and antioxidants. This snack prevents cravings before lunch and stabilizes blood sugar, which is key for fast weight loss. Section 5. Lunch recipe. Lean protein salad bowl, 4 to 5 ounces grilled chicken breast or salmon. A big handful of mixed greens, lettuce, spinach, arugula, half an avocado, cucumber, and cherry tomatoes. Light drizzle of olive oil plus lemon juice. This salad is not boring. The avocado adds creaminess, the protein keeps you full, and the lemon dressing gives it a fresh punch. Pro tip: swap chicken for salmon when you want extra omega-3s which help reduce inflammation and bloating. Section 6. Afternoon snack. Apple plus almond butter. Slice a fresh apple and dip it in 1 tablespoon of natural almond butter. This is the perfect mix of crunch, sweetness, and healthy fat. It's portable, quick, and keeps energy levels high without spiking blood sugar. Section 7. Dinner recipe. Fat burning stir fry. 4 ounces lean beef, turkey or tofu, 1 cup broccoli, 1 cup bell peppers, 1 small carrot sliced, garlic plus soy sauce, low sodium, plus a splash of sesame oil. Stir fry everything on high heat for 5 to 6 minutes. Serve with half a cup of cauliflower rice or half a cup of quinoa if you need extra energy. This dinner is flavorful, low in calories but nutrient-packed, perfect for burning fat while still feeling satisfied. Section 8. Evening hack. Now here's the trick most people miss. To drop weight quickly, avoid heavy meals late at night. Instead, if you're still hungry before bed, sip on a detox tea like green tea, ginger tea, or chamomile. This reduces bloating, curbs late-night snacking, and improves sleep quality, which is critical for fat loss. Section 9. Why you'll lose 5 pounds fast. By following this exact plan, you'll create a calorie deficit while fueling your body with nutrients. The high protein keeps you full, the fiber prevents cravings, and the balance of healthy fats keeps your metabolism firing. And here's the best part. These meals are simple, quick, and tasty, meaning you can actually stick to them. Follow this for just a few days and you'll notice the scale drop, your stomach flatten, and your energy rise. So now you know what I eat in a day to lose 5 pounds fast, and you can try it starting today.